State of our schools, major updates today when it comes to safely bringing kids back to the classroom. Now, the state education department issuing its health and safety protocols for the school year. Meanwhile, the Archdiocese of New York says that masks are going to be required at all New York Catholic schools to start the year. And that announcement comes after Lieutenant Governor Kathy Hochul says everyone in school should wear masks. News 12, Samantha Crawford joins us now with more on what you need to know tonight. Samantha.
Ian, the education department and a number of schools in our area that already announced masks will be required are following the science, listening to the CDC and local health experts as COVID cases continue to climb in our area. However, that's not resonating with everyone. A school board meeting gone wrong.
Clearly, we're not going to get anything done tonight.
The Clarkstown school board abruptly ended their meeting tonight.
This is pointless. I think we're just going to adjourn the meeting.
As parents spoke over each other, fighting back against the district's mask mandate. A third grader that was there speaking to News 12 about her experience wearing a mask.
I start to get headaches, my heart rate goes up, I start to have a panic attack.
Her mom telling us their district didn't have frequent mask breaks or air conditioning.
We've seen a bunch of specialists and run tests on her to make sure that there was nothing wrong. Every test we can have run was totally normal.
State Assemblyman Kieran Lawler, who's been critical of masking students, says parents should talk to their local pediatricians and decide for themselves.
Given the low risk to children, I don't understand why we would mandate the masks.
But local health experts say the families at tonight's meeting and Lawler are not looking at this the right way. Nearly 94,000 kids contracted COVID this past week, and the CDC says on average, 239 were admitted into hospitals nationwide.
Wearing a mask does have some psychological impact in some people, especially in some children. I agree. However, the downside of not wearing a mask is much higher.
So Samantha, what else is the education department recommending for schools?
They're recommending the usual CDC list that we know all too well. COVID-19 testing, cohorting, improved ventilation, of course, staying home when you're sick, and regular cleaning. Ian, Gianna.
All right, thanks, Samantha. So we want to hear from you. Do you think there should be a mask mandate in school as COVID-19 numbers continue to spike? So here's a look at the results. 50.6% say yes, there should be a mask mandate. 44.4% say no, and about 5% aren't sure. So it's pretty evenly split there. But that poll is still up on our Twitter page if you'd like to weigh in.